We have the ham hocks, just a little warm and seared, a little chorizo in the bottom, 2 sweet Mayan onions, 2 cubanelles, almost a pound of chopped carrots, the garlic, and 2 types of beans. We've got some soaked pintos and navy beans, about to make soup. We're browning up the sweet onions. I just put the cubanelles in there. Very soon we'll have the carrots to give a little color, and finally the garlic, and then everybody into the bowl. And here it is, 12:45, and it has begun. Here we are several hours later, and we have soup. It's all done. It didn't take a lot of extra spices. I only added a couple bay leaves because with the onions and the peppers and the garlic and the sweetness of the carrots, the smokiness of the ham hocks, works out very nicely. I just brushed these screens off. Snow's already coated it up. Let's see. It's cracked open the door. I swept off about 3 inches. I would say we've got another 1.5 inches already there. I've got to blow this off and hook this door, or it's going to continue to blow in. The winds haven't even come yet, and it's bad. Just steady, steady snow.